Do you sell DVDs on Amazon? If so, today I want to share with you one secret sourcing strategy, somewhere you can go from time to time. You're not going to go every single day, but maybe once or twice a month to be able to find undervalued DVDs that you could sell for $20, $30, $40, $50 plus. Now you're probably wondering, Steve, where is it? Where are you going to tell me to go? To the garage sale? You're going to go tell me to stop at a consignment store or a thrift store or eBay to Amazon or Amazon to Amazon? I already know about that. No, I'm going to tell you one place that I've mentioned a couple times, but most people, they still don't do it. I've shared it for years and I put these little golden nuggets in videos, but still people just don't do it. If you're selling DVDs on Amazon, especially new DVDs, because a lot of the new DVDs are going to sell for a premium, you're going to want to go to pawn shops. Yes, pawn shops. Now, depending on where you live, you may or may not have any pawn shops in your area. Typically, they're going to be found, in cities. Sometimes they are, in some suburban areas as well. And not every pawn shop is going to be created equally. But a lot of pawn shops that I go to, probably over 50% of them, have a huge area for DVDs. Now, it's not worth it, in my opinion, to go in there and scan all the DVDs. What I typically do is I pick at the new DVDs, the ones that are brand new sealed, because many times, more often than not, the DVDs are 50 cents or $1 or maybe $2 at these pawn shops. And most people who go to pawn shops are not going for DVDs. I feel like it's maybe one of those type of items where maybe someone's going in there for a bicycle or a lawnmower and they're like, I see all these DVDs, I'll just pick a random one out. You're typically not going to find resellers going there. That's why it really is jackpot city from time to time when I go to pawn shops. As a matter of fact, I'm thinking about it right now because I just left a coffee shop. I've been working and I'm in a part of town where I'm usually not hanging out over here. And there's a pawn shop that I'm getting ready to go stop at. I haven't been there in over 2 months. So, fingers crossed that I'm going to find some good stuff over there. And I'm not bringing my scanner. I'm not bringing my barcode scanner. I'm literally just looking through there's probably like maybe 1,000 DVDs at this place. And I'm just looking for the new sealed stuff. I'm pulling it out and I'm just scanning it with the Amazon seller app. I'm not even using Scout IQ or anything or a barcode scanner. I'm just going in there looking for the new sealed stuff. Even board games they have over here. Sometimes they even have new in the box, like office supplies and electronics that sometimes I flip on Amazon. So I'm going to go over there, take a look, see what they have, but just want to put you on to that little gold nugget again. You're not going to get rich going to the pawn shops, buying DVDs. But when I go, a lot of times I'll leave with $100, $200, $300 plus profit in DVDs if I get lucky. So go check it out. If you're going by a pawn shop, even a consignment store, I mentioned it, but pawn shops are even better. Go see if they have a DVD section. Also CDs as well. A lot of times they'll have CDs. And as long as you don't have, another reseller in town who hit it, a lot of times you could score pretty big because the DVDs are cheap. And a lot of times there's just no competition. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like down below, share some love. Let me know your thoughts after you go to a pawn shop. And with that being said, I appreciate you guys. Much love and good luck. Bye.